YouTubians. Alright, here's my latest toy repair. It's the Linemar battery operated sneezing bear with lighted eyes. And here's a little dude stripped. The problem with him was primarily twofold. One, battery contacts needed to be adjusted. I added, just for the fun of it, this ground strap, because I think grounding may have been an issue as well. Also, all this mechanism that makes him move his head and body to sneeze was out of adjustment, and it wasn't working. So it's working now, and we'll try him out in a second here. There's the gear train. Alright, there's your motor. His little sneeze box works fine. His eyes light up. Oh, another thing that I did too, so maybe it was a threefold repair. These little blade switches tend to get loose, so I tightened up the rivet on that, and I also tightened the rivet for the battery compartment keeper, so that's working well. All right, let's give them a try. So there he is. I need to put his body back on and work on his fur. There's his back, and there's his front. Beautiful little tin Kleenex box. I thought maybe those were cardboard, but when I got him, that's made out of tin. Really pretty. I think he may need a tissue in there as well. But there's a little dude, the Linemar. Battery operated sneezing bear with lighted eyes. Have a nice day. Oh, and Gesundheit.